I am going to tell you how to change the heading font size globally in a WordPress website. As you can see right now, we are into WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar we are having an option of appearance. You just need to move your cursor over the appearance and then click on customize. Okay, we are into the customization section, and in the left side we are having a toolbar. Whatever the changes we make in the left side automatically gets displayed in the right side, because in the right side we are having preview of our website, right? So let me open any article first so that you can see like all kinds of heading, whether h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, right? So in the left side toolbar, as you can see, we are having an option of typography. You just need to go to the typography, and here you need to open the headings, and from here you can simply change the heading font size, right? So we are going to h2 and we are going to increase and decrease, and as you can see, the h2 headings size is getting increased and decreased. You can also change the font weight, you can also change the font transform, right? Going to h3, you can also change the h3 heading size. So let me change it from here, and you can see the h3 heading size is getting changed. Similarly, you can make changes to h4 font size or h5 font size. You can make changes to heading 6 font size. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about WordPress, you can simply check the video description. I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to WordPress with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.